A very good morning, students. I am Mr. Amit More. In last week, we have started with the second unit of the employability skills, that is the self management skills. In that, we have seen introduction to self management and strength and weaknesses. In the strength and weaknesses, we have learned about the identifying our strength and weaknesses. The exercise was given related with that. I hope you have done that exercise also. Now we will move towards the next session number 3, self confidence. Now self confidence is the very much important quality of any successful person can have. Self confidence will help us to present ourselves in the in the group of people. Okay, now I'm going to read about it. Self confidence is a sense of trusting one's abilities and self. If you are an intelligent, hardworking, and talented person, but having lack of confidence and avoid taking the initiative, then it may be difficult for others to recognize your talent. Self confidence can be developed through changes in attitude and practice. Now look, self confidence, why is it necessary? When if you don't have the self confidence, what will happen? Let me tell it first. Even if you have talent, you are intelligent and hardworking, then also because of lack of confidence, you will avoid taking the initiative. And as you are avoiding taking the initiative, what will happen? The other people will not recognize your talent, or they will not come to know about your talent. So in order to present ourselves, the change in attitude and practice will help us to build our self confidence. Means what? In order to present ourselves, we need to have self confidence. Okay, so therefore, this quality is very much important in the self management. If you don't have enough self confidence, you will not able to face any difficult situation that will arise in your life. Therefore, self confidence is very much important. The self confidence can be developed through the changes in attitude and practice. Means what? You have to change your attitude. Negative thinking you have to remove, and positive thinking you have to impart in yourself. Then only it will be possible to build our self confidence. And practicing of the particular thing will definitely build a self confidence. Now we are going to see one example over there that will tell you about the confidence and lack of confidence example. Confidence. Now look, Neeraj had difficulty in speaking English. He therefore avoided talking to his classmates. He believed that he can learn English by joining English speaking classes, and in few days he was able to speak English fluently. Now look, as he was facing difficulty in speaking English, so what he did, he didn't just sit over there and just thought that I cannot do anything, my life is ruined, like this. And means what, he didn't allowed those negative thoughts to come in mind, and then what he did, he just overcome his difficulty, or he just overcome with his lack of speaking in English in front of classmates by joining the speaking classes. And after practicing in some days, he was able to speak English fluently. And definitely what will happen, the confidence was imparted in his mind, and so that he would definitely speak with his classmate. Now he cannot avoid his classmates because he has confidence that he can speak fluently English. The second example, Shalini was preparing for her final board exams. She feared that she will not get good marks in English because of her poor memory. This made her nervous before the exam, and she actually got poor marks in the exam. Now, look, by observing these two examples, you will come to know about the positive attitude and negative attitude. Okay, now look, as Neeraj had positive attitude, so what he did, he just overcome with his difficulty, and he got enough confidence to speak in English. But what happened to Shalini? She considered that she has poor memory, so she cannot perform well in the exam, and this thinking made her nervous. And then what happened, actually she got poor marks in the exam. Means what, she didn't worked out on her poor memory, so the result was her poor performance in the exam. Means what, because of that lack of confidence, she didn't overcome her difficulty. Hence the negative result appeared in front of her. Okay, next we are going to see the definition of self confidence. Self confidence is a quality we build when we believe in our strength to succeed in anything we do in life. मतलब हम जो कर रहे हैं वो सही कर रहे हैं और उसमें हम सक्सेसफुल होने वाले हैं, ऐसा जो कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है, दैट क्वालिटी इज नोन एज द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, people who are confident believe that they can do anything given to them in any situation. Means what, the people who are having positive attitude and self confidence, they believe in themselves and they can do anything in any situation. Here some qualities of self confident people are given. First is self belief. Self belief means what? Here they have given one example of Thomas Edison. He practiced too much and he made thousands of prototypes of the incandescent light bulb before he could finally invent the bulb. In spite of struggling with repeated failures, his resilience and belief in self gave the world one of the most amazing product, that is the bulb. Now look, he practiced again and again. He didn't tired because of his repeated failures, and he believed in himself. Therefore, it was possible to get that amazing product, that was the bulb. Means what? Believe in yourself. Even if you get failure, don't give up. That's what they want to tell you. Next is the hard work. Hard work, the example of Deepa Karmakar is given over here. Despite having flat foot, at the age of 6, worked hard to become the first Indian female gymnast ever to compete in the Olympics. Means what? Even if that particular girl, Deepa Karmakar, she didn't thought that she is handicapped, but she believed in herself. She worked hard, and then she was managed herself to become the first Indian female gymnast ever to compete in the Olympics. Means what? Here hard work is the quality of the self confident people. Next is the positive attitude. Here, positive attitude is nothing but focusing on the positives even in the time of adversity. For example, the situation of losing a game can be perceived as losing something or an opportunity to review the game strategies and improve to win in the future. Look, positive attitude is very much important thing. Means what? Even if in the adverse situation, the people who are having positive attitude means what? उनको पता है कि अच्छा ही होने वाला है. ओके, अच्छा ही होने वाला है. Then what do? They can face any adverse situation. They are able to take proper decision in the adverse situation. Okay, here they have given example. The situation of losing a game can be perceived as losing something or as an opportunity to review the game strategies. मतलब आप अगर किसी गेम में लूज होने वाले हो, हारने वाले हो, तब भी आपको आपका पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड ऐसा रहना चाहिए कि अगले गेम में हम अपने आप में इतनी इम्प्रूवमेंट लाएंगे कि जो पिछले गेम में हम हारे उसमें जो स्ट्रैटेजी हमने ली थी उस पर हम वर्कआउट करेंगे और नेक्स्ट टाइम हम ज़रूर जीतेंगे. दिस एटीट्यूड इज़ द पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. नेक्स्ट इज़ द कमिटमेंट. Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of Indian independence movement, was highly committed to the cause of making India free from British Raj. He employed non-violent civil disobedience to get India independence. Commitment means what? Again, self-beliefness is important over there. He was firm on his principles of non-violent civil disobedient. Then that's why it was possible to get our India the independence. Okay, so these are the 4 qualities of the self-confident people. Next we are going to see building self-confidence. Building self-confidence, 3 steps are given over here. The 3 steps to build self-confidence are as follows. Step 1, appreciate achievements and accept failures. For example, celebrate the achievements when team wins a competition. Articulate learning when team loses a competition. मतलब आप कुछ अचीव कर रहे हो, नहीं तो आपकी टीम ने अगर कुछ अचीव किया है तो एप्रिसिएशन करना ही पड़ता है, तब सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आपका ज़रूर बढ़ेगा. और जब आपकी टीम हार जाती है तब क्या करना चाहिए? एप्रिशिएट भी करना चाहिए, पर उसके साथ साथ जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट ज़रूरी है उसके बारे में भी डिस्कशन करना चाहिए. ओके, और आपके जो फेलियर है और जो रॉन्ग डिसीजन आपने लिए होंगे उसके वो आपको एक्सेप्ट करना भी ज़रूरी है. Second step, have a goal and take steps towards it. For example, if you have won bronze at an event, set the goal to win gold medal next time and take action for it. Means what? The things which you have received or gained, don't satisfy on those things only. Think on more and more. Set the goal which is more effective than you have got before. Next, third step, always look at the good side and be happy. For example, if you have lost a match, celebrate the efforts of those team members who performed well. जिन्होंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है उनके लिए सेलिब्रेशन करना ही चाहिए, उनको अप्रिशिएट करना ही चाहिए. देन ओनली their confidence will build and next time those people will do the will give the performance with more enthusiasm. Okay, and talk to the people who are confident and try to gain that confidence. Okay, now here they have given some factors that decrease the self confidence. Those factors are when we think we cannot do a particular work. हमने अगर ऐसा सोचा कि हम ये काम नहीं कर सकते तो आप डेफिनेटली ये काम नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके. सेकंड, when we keep thinking of our past mistakes and feel bad about it instead of learning from them. देखो, जो भी हमने मिस्टेक्स की होंगी पास्ट में, तो उसके बारे में अगर हम सोचते रहेंगे तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. अगर हमने उससे कुछ सीख लिया तो हमें वो एज एन एक्सपीरियंस हमें वो आगे याद रहेगा और हम वो मिस्टेक्स फिर से रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो डोंट कीप thinking on the past mistakes. Next factor, when we expect to be successful at the first attempt itself and do not try again. देखो, as I told you the example of Thomas Edison, he tried thousands of times, then also he didn't give up. Means thousands of times he got failure, then also he didn't give up, and finally you can say on the 1001st time he tried and he succeeded. Means what? Until you get the success, don't give up and don't expect the success in the first attempt. Okay, because failure is the first step of success. Hence don't expect to be successful in the first attempt. Next is the when we are surrounded by people who have negative attitude which is reflected in the speech. बहुत से लोग होते हैं अपने यहाँ जो हमें नीचे खींचने के लिए बहुत सी निगेटिव चीज़ें बताते हैं और उसकी वजह से हम अपना सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस लूज़ कर देते हैं और हम बहुत बार ट्राई भी नहीं करते. यस और नो? इफ़ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इट देन just try to avoid such type of people. Okay, so here practice work is given. Here you have to do one thing, write down 3 qualities about yourself, your goals in life and your plan to achieve them. My qualities, my goals and my plans you have to write in the notebook and check your progress. What steps should one take to build self confidence? Set goals in life, appreciate oneself for all the achievements, always think positively, talk to people who are confident. Now look, actually, all are correct, so I will tick all those points, or I will put one extra option, all are correct, and you can select that option, because everything which is mentioned in those options is acceptable to build a confidence. Next is, which of the following is a quality of self confident person? Patient, compassionate, committed, passionate. All are correct. Patience. Actually, it should be patience, which was the quality given for that Edison. After lot of failure, also he managed to uh, have the repeated practice, and this was his patience, and it results in the great success. Compassionate means the hard working. Committed, committed मतलब जो हमने बताया है वो हमने करके दिखाना, that is the committed. And passionate, having a lot of eagerness for the success, that will be the passionate thing. Next is the short answer question, what are the factors that affect self confidence? Here the answer is there, we have discussed already. Okay, I'm going to share the PDF, you will come to know about it. Okay, next is positive thinking, session number 4, positive thinking. Now again we have come towards the self confidence. Was what is the importance of positive thinking? A person's attitude can be considered either positive or negative. Positive thinking requires a person to look at the good in things, observe, understand, and patiently work towards improving them, rather than worrying and looking for the bad in things. Look, positive thinking, how it is important. पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग से क्या होता है, हम चीज़ों को जो अच्छी बात है वही देखते हैं, और उसकी वजह से हम डेफिनेटली उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट ला सकते हैं। बट अगर आपने निगेटिवली थिंक किया तो आपको सब कुछ उधर बैड ही दिखाई देगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग लीड्स टू गुड रिजल्ट्स फॉर यू, लाइक ओवरकमिंग चैलेंजेस। पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, देखो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग अगर आपके पास है तो आप आपके पास चैलेंजेस फेस करने के लिए ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा एनर्जी आ जाएगी। मतलब मीन्स व्हाट, यू कैन ओवरकम द चैलेंजेस। नेक्स्ट, मेकिंग यू डू वेल और मेकिंग यू एन एनर्जेटिक इंडिविजुअल। आप में एक एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ जाएगी, उसकी वजह से आप एक एनर्जेटिक पर्सन का एग्जाम्पल बनोगे। हेल्पिंग यू गेट बेटर एट वर्क एंड मेकिंग यू एंड पीपल अराउंड यू हैप्पी। ओके, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रहती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट रहता है, और अगर नेगेटिव थिंकिंग है तो आपको डिप्रेशन भी आ सकता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट, ऑन द राइट साइड एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ negative and positive thinking are given. I did not get enough marks to choose my science stream and my life is ruined. My team lost the match because of me. These are the examples of negative thinking. Means what? They are thinking that now nothing is there in our life. Our life is ruined. मतलब आपकी लाइफ बर्बाद हो गई, ऐसा सोचना, दैट इज़ द नेगेटिव थिंकिंग। Examples of positive thinking: I did not get enough marks to choose the science stream, but that's not the end of my life. I can consider other options in other streams. ओके, मतलब ज़िंदगी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, आपको आगे बहुत कुछ करना है, तो दूसरा रास्ता आपको चूज़ करना होगा. दैट इज़ द पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड और पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. How to keep your thinking positive? There are few simple steps to cultivate a positive attitude in life. Let us understand this with the help of abbreviation SMILE. अभी ये देखो, SMILE. S for start your day in a positive way. For example, exercising, reading, or watching something motivating. Talking to people who are positive and they make you smile. ओके, जो अच्छे पीपल है उनके सराउंडिंग में रहो तो आप में पॉजिटिव एनर्जी इम्पार्ट हो जाएगी. ओके. सेकंड, SMILE अगर आप देख रहे हो तो इधर आपको समझ में आएगा. M, मैनेज टाइम टू रिलैक्स. For example, sit in a relaxed position and just feel how you are breathing. You can do yoga and meditation or listen to music to relax and stay calm. आपको खुद को रिलैक्स करने के लिए जो टाइम चाहिए वो आपको मैनेज करना है. सेकंड इज आई, इमेजिन द बेस्ट इन एनी सिचुएशन. For example, don't keep thinking of things that are going badly. Instead, think how you can make the things better. आप अच्छे से अच्छा क्या काम कर सकते हो उसके बारे में सोचना, इमेजिन करना. दैट इज़ द थर्ड स्टेप ऑफ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. नेक्स्ट इज L, learn to take feedback in positive way. For example, if someone gives you feedback, objectively think how it will help you to improve and start working on it. देखो, जो भी आपको फीडबैक लोग देते होंगे उसको आपने पॉजिटिव लेना है, क्योंकि वो आपको आपकी इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए ही बताते हैं, आपके अच्छे के लिए ही वो फीडबैक देते हैं. तो वो फीडबैक आपको एक्सेप्ट करना होगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट, एक्सप्रेस ग्रैटिट्यूड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बी थैंकफुल फॉर ऑल द गुड थिंग्स यू हैव टू पीपल who have helped you, or pat your back for the good things you have done. जो भी आपने अच्छा किया है, नहीं तो दूसरों ने हमारे लिए जो अच्छा काम किया है उसके लिए हमेशा उनके बारे में आपको अच्छा सोचना चाहिए, थैंकफुल रहना चाहिए. ओके. देन after that, what you have to do, the people who have helped you or pat your back for good things that you have done, तो उनके लिए भी आपने ग्रैटिट्यूड मतलब पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए. ओके. सो दिस वाज द स्माइल विच विल हेल्प टू कीप योर थिंकिंग पॉजिटिव. Here now we will move towards the exercise. Multiple choice questions. Read the questions carefully and circle the letter that best answers the question. What is the best way to start our day positively? Think about all that can go wrong. Think about the difficult test you will face during the day. Think about all your accomplishments so far and feel good about it. Think about the traffic on the road and feel stressed. Now look, that third option is correct. Second, Rahul gets feedback on his project work from his class teacher. Which of these options demonstrate positive attitude in this situation? Rahul ignores. Rahul takes feedback and does not use it. Rahul tells other that teacher is wrong. Rahul learns from the feedback and makes his project work better. That D option is correct. Next, what can you do to get rid of negative thoughts or feelings? Meditate to calm down and feel positive. Ignore them and move on life. Act based on negative thoughts or feelings. Talk to friend to share your negative feelings. The first option is correct. Okay. Meditate to calm down and feel positive. If you like this video, just if you find that the video is useful, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.